What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I'm going to be answering your assumptions about me. A couple days ago on my Instagram, I asked you guys to send me some things you assume about me, and thanks be to God I asked that question because I was not expecting those assumptions. So I am here to clear the air, and please listen and understand because I want these assumptions to disappear into the universe, never to be assumed about me again. Okay? Assumption number 1. You're an Aries. Guys, I just uploaded a zodiac tag video on my channel. Are you guys not watching my videos or something? I am not going to say what zodiac I am. You're gonna have to watch my zodiac tag video to know the answer because I am not an Aries. Assumption number 2. You are spoiled. No, I am not, and I say this to say that I am an only child. So of course, if I go to my parents or my immediate family members saying, hey, there's this important thing or there's this thing that I need, high percent chance is that I'm going to get it or I'm going to get assistance in getting it. Because like I said, it is something that is important or it could be something that I need. But as far as it gets, I really don't be asking for anything because I do have a job, I do get paid, so I am managing on my own. Assumption number 3. You edit your IG pictures. No, I do not. If you see a picture on my Instagram and it seems edited, it's probably a Snapchat picture, and you know that on Snapchat there are filters. So, and I tend to use those filters a lot. So apart from the filters off of Snapchat, I do not edit my IG pictures. I just have this thing where if I go out or when I go out, I take multiple pictures, giving off different angles, giving off different vibes, so I can choose 3 pictures that I like to upload, and that is just it. Assumption number 4. A lot of guys be in your DMs. You know the vibe. I don't have a lot. I have a few, but I mean, I am a female, so of course I'm going to have guys in my DMs. It's not a lot, just a few. What's funny is I don't even really be checking my DMs like that. It's recently being that I started my YouTube channel and I had to do like promotion messages and stuff. Assumption number 5. You're stuck up / antisocial. Stuck up? Me? Where? When? How? Why? I am probably one of the most coolest person you'll ever meet, but looking at me from your point of view or looking at me from the outside world, I'll definitely understand why you feel that way, because I know that I look like a sourpuss 90% of the time. But once you get to know me, I can guarantee you that you're going to think I'm the coolest person you ever meet, or I'm just one of the nicest or sweetest person you ever meet. Antisocial, I would say somewhat like 40 or 30%. And I say this to say that I am an only child, so I am used to having my own space. I am used to being in my corner. I am used to being by myself. Also, I am not the type that is going to start a conversation with a random person. If I do that, I must really like you, or it is a conversation that is engaging, where I feel like I have to say something or whatever. But yeah, that's as far as it gets for me. Stuck up, no. Antisocial, not really. Assumption number 6. You do not like your natural hair. That is completely false, because I actually do love my natural hair. The thing is, my natural hair is special. It requires a lot of time, it requires a lot of attention, and unfortunately, the things that I do on a daily, it doesn't allow me to give my hair time or attention. So it is just the best for me to always get it done. As you guys can see in my previous natural hair tutorials, I had to be doing the most, and it really takes a lot of time. So when I get it done like this, I can give it attention and stuff. It is just not the high attention required as if it was just my entire natural hair. And when I put my hair in hairstyles, I ensure that it is styles where I can give my hair attention and time, but not the attention and time that I would have to give it if it was just my full-blown natural hair. Assumption number 7. You seem conceited. To be honest, I don't think I am, but if I do, I just want to put this out there. I was never confident. I literally just gained some source of confidence. So if I dwell in myself or engage in myself more, it is just that I reach a point in my life where I feel like I should be doing that. So if I have to tap in with myself 30 minutes every day, I am going to do. Assumption number 8. Boyfriend. What? I asked for an assumption. What is boyfriend? Assumption number 9. Your attitude stinks. Assumption number 10. You are bougie AF. Me? Where? How? Why? When? If you get to know me, you would regret assuming that about me. I am so down to earth, it is unbelievable. But I mean, looking from your point of view, looking from the outside in, I would think so too. I just really like looking good. I really like feeling good and all the good stuff. But bougie is, that is not me. I wish I could have friends in my videos to tell you guys directly and you just not hear it from me. But hopefully I will be getting my friends and some family members in some of my videos soon. So that is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.